Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn how to write Python program and compile it using idle environment. I assume that you have installed idle in your machine either in Windows or Mac or Linux. All the versions are available on python.org. So you can download and install the Python idle software from there by typing it in the command prompt. From command prompt you can start, or you can start from my programs, or simply searching it. So I will write idle and I will start the Python idle. Now you have to install this Python idle. I have installed Python idle 2.7.15. This is a Python version. Either you can install Python 3.0 or you can install Python 2.x. It depends upon you. Python 3.0 is a newer version of Python. Not a version, actually they are completely two different things. Let us assume for the time being we are now using 2.7, and we will see how the Python is being compiled, the Python program is being compiled on this particular environment. So let us begin. So this what you can see here on the screen is the Python idle and the three chevron over here. So Python can be written and compiled in two ways, in two modes. The first mode is interactive mode. We can directly write commands over here on the prompt, on the chevron prompt, and compile it, or we can write a program into a file mode. That means we can write the program completely in a file, data file, and we can compile that the file together. All together we can compile that file at one go. So let us write some interactive command over here. Say for example, I'm going to print my name. So print Kamal Kant Gupta. So it simply prints your output on the screen. So this is what is called as interactive mode. Suppose I am going to print uh, KKG, and then I'm printing some value around with it, 20. So KKG 20, it prints a value along with the string KKG. So this is what is called interactive mode. Now we can also write Python programs in a non-interactive mode, writing the whole bunch of code in one single file and compiling it all together. So let us do it. Go to the file menu, and from the file menu select new file and write the whole Python code over here. So I'm going to write print. This is great. We have started Python, and then you may write some other thing also. Print, for example, hello world, and just save it with a name. This file name should be given. So save the file with a name. Now you can see that the format of the file is already .py. Here you can see that the format of the file is already .py. If you are compiling in a different environment, say for example in Windows, you may be using some text editor. You can use, or you can directly edit through idle also. So you have to write the file name over here, give a file name, a suitable file name. So print program, say for example print program 1. Printprog1 is our file name. Save it. Remember the file name. Now let us close it out, and I will write import. There is a command called import printprog1. This was our file name. In Python, whatever you write in a file is treated to be a module, and to use your module into the Python interpreter, or to feed that module into the Python interpreter, you have to use the keyword import. So import print program 1. Now you can see that there is an error here, which is showing no module name print prog 1. Now let us check the file name once again. Let us check the file name once again, what file name we have given. So let me show you. Let us open it. You can see here print prog 1. So P is capital over here. You can see that P is capital. So don't misspell your names over here. So what we have to do is, again I will write import print prog1. Now you can see the program, the code is compiled and 2 lines of code is given, and whatever output we have written in that particular file, it is being given here in the idle interactive environment. So these are the two ways in which you can compile your program. Hope you will do the practice at your home. Thank you.